Elaine is playing dirty. Her new action is discouraging Johnny Depp's lawyer. After making a series of rookie mistakes in a case that was televised for the world to see, Elaine had lost most of her credibility, making a fool out of herself. But just when we thought she wouldn't stoop any lower, she has somehow found a way to surprise us all. Her latest strategy in order to win an appeal on Amber's behalf is another laughable attempt that will soon be thrown out of court. But what has she said and done? Keep watching to find out more. This tweet by a user online sheds light on everything we need to know about this. The person writes, "Elaine is hopeless. After everything about this case is over, she should better get help. She really lost it. There is literally no logic here." Attached to the tweet is a screenshot from the motion to set aside verdict submitted in court by Elaine. The document reads, "Importantly, there is a significant difference between proof of actual malice and mere proof of falsity. Discredited testimony of the defendant standing alone does not constitute clear and convincing evidence of actual malice. Rather, the plaintiff must present affirmative evidence that the defendant acted with the requisite state of mind. Conversely, a jury's finding that the plaintiff's testimony is credible does not establish actual malice," it continues. Further, because actual malice is a subjective standard, whether Ms. Heard believes she was abused must be judged by her definition of abuse. Ms. Heard testified unequivocally that Mr. Depp abused her physically, emotionally, and psychologically. To break it all down, Amber's lawyer Elaine is basically inferring here that the jury made a mistake in coming to their verdict since they did not understand what counts as malice or not. It further claims that since malice should be judged subjectively, and since Amber believes she was abused, she should be taken on her word. This is obviously lunacy, and no court in the world would buy this. This is just part of an entire motion that Elaine has recently submitted to court. Amber Heard wants a Virginia court to set aside the $10 million plus judgment actor Johnny Depp recently won against her in the duo's epic dueling defamation battle. In the 43-page filing, Heard's attorneys say the massive judgment is not supported by the evidence presented during their dramatic 6-week-long trial watched around the world. Specifically, the filing argues that there is no evidence of pecuniary damages from the op-ed at the heart of the dispute. Heard's attorneys say that the damages Depp claimed from that article, that he lost out on the opportunity to reprise his role as the pirate Jack Sparrow for the 6th time, do not hold up under scrutiny. In her memo, Heard also claims that Depp did not prove actual malice, the heightened standard in defamation cases that applies when the allegedly defamed person is a public figure, in returning the verdict for Depp. However, jurors said that they did not believe Heard, essentially agreeing with Depp that her abuse claims were false and that she spread them with actual malice, that she lied, and that she knew she was lying about the situation. Social media was quick to respond to the news. A user tweeted, "It isn't even an argument. She says believe her in all case, even if she is delusional. It's like, okay, she might be lying, but at least she believes her own lies." That is all for today. Give us your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think Amber should consider replacing Elaine with a lawyer more competent? Don't forget to like and subscribe.